Hello everybody. So today we are showing you how we install the Weft Hair Extensions to our client. So you can see first of all we are placing the micro rings after measuring the area from where we have to install the Weft Hair. So we have aligned all the hair through the micro rings, and now we are stitching the weft on that alignment. So this is the way how we are stitching the weft, and it's a special thread so that it holds very good and it gives a very nice stability if I compare it with the tape hair and the eye tips. So this is more long lasting way to place the hair extensions, the weft hair. It will give you very less shedding if you compare it with the eye tips and the tape hair extensions, and it lasts really long in comparison if I compare it with the other ways to place the hair extensions.